On the table today is the Tractionator Dual Venture front tires from Motoz, made for most ADV and dual sport motorcycles that are looking for substantial grip in corners on both the trails as well as the tarmac, regardless of where your adventure takes you. These tires have a hybrid carcass construction, pairing both synthetic and natural rubber polymers for a 70% off-road and 30% on-road mix of uses. Motoz designed the Dual Venture to be completely covered in knobby grippers that will actually self-sharpen themselves as the tires wear down. So if you're the type of rider that wants to maximize the longevity of the tire without sacrificing grip throughout the lifespan, you might want to give these a try. Keep in mind too, these tires are designed to be used either with or without tubes, making them ideal for most dual sport and adventure bikes out there on the market today. Check the website for current prices and potential rebates. Thanks for joining us to take a look at the Motoz Tractionator Dual Venture front tires. If you still have any questions, our customer service team is available to help and make sure that you're all set for your next ride.